Many of you have asked me where I get the boxes from. Good question, because boxes are the building blocks for most of our artworks. You may even say that boxes are our Lego. So now, let me show you the secret of how to get the boxes. Number 1 secret. Try the shoe store. Just make sure the customer is looking away when you take the box. Or you can just ask the shopkeeper to give you some. Number 2 secret. Try the shopping mall. There are so many shops that get rid of boxes every day and they will happily give you some. Number 3 secret. Packaging is a treasure. When you or somebody you know buy something, grab the boxes before they disappear. Often you'll find many different bits and boxes inside of different sizes. You can use all of them in different ways. So collecting boxes for art is a great way to recycle and save our environment. Number 4 secret. The junk heap. Yeah, it's a great place to get boxes if you dare to go near it. Just make sure the boxes are clean enough for you to take home. Or just get your own cardboard factory. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Look at me! Put 5,000 of those in my car. Woohoo! Yeah! Boxes, man! Boxes! Woohoo! Hi everybody! Thanks so much for watching my channel. Did I tell you that I love the comments and all the ideas you give me in the comments area? Please give me more. What kind of ideas do you like? What do you like to see me making more? You know, I have quite a bit of skills, but please talk to me. Tell me things.